Hi guys, so we just had the market open on NQ here. It's 9:30 basic UTC -4. My time zone is 4:30, so we just had the New York Stock Exchange open, and I'm looking here at NQ, and I want to take a nice buy trade. So every time frame is bullish. We got monthly, weekly, daily bullish. We got 4-hour bullish as well. We had CPI, and CPI, as we can see, CPI just pushed higher, and now we see the retracement with New York Stock Exchange open. So what I'm trying to see is a reaction from these areas and taking an entry on the 1-minute time frame. So right now we kind of just completed the whole move, retraced the whole move. So I'm looking take a nice buy trade. So let's see if price comes a little bit lower or if it gives confirmation this area. I kind of like this area, to be honest. And just to cover the low here, it's gonna be like 20 points, 200 points. So I don't know, not 200 points, it's gonna be like 75 points. So I do like this setup. I do like when price is retracing the news move and then just kind of slows down. So let's see, I'm probably gonna look to take an entry here. So my goal is to make between 1.5 and 2K a day. I'm trading a Tradify account, which is a straight to fund account. And basically I need to be very consistent between days. So my daily goal is gonna be that profit target, 1.5 to 2K. All right, so I think I'm gonna take the entry here. Okay, I just took the entry right now. My entry is exactly right there. My stop loss is gonna be probably let's see, probably somewhere around here. And just want to go for 1 to 2, but we'll see how we manage the trade if this flips bullish, something like that. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. I do like the setup. I do like price returning back into this area with news. Once this aligns bullish again, we should see price pushing and taking out this liquidity right here. So again, my goal is to make anywhere between 1.5 and 2K. So I think my take profit is gonna be like 1 to 1, because apparently my risk was that 2K. All right, so it's going very nicely into profits. Probably gonna close this soon once it pushes a little bit higher, as we are running around 2K right now. Let's see how this goes. Just need a little bit more push to the upside and then we're done. It's probably gonna do my stop loss right here. Do that. So my basically what I'm gonna be trying to achieve every day is a 1-to-1 trade. I'm not trying to really go for higher take profits, because as I said, I do have that consistency score. So on Tradify, straight to funded, you need to make 10 profitable trading days and your consistency needs to be 20%. So basically you need to have equal profits every single day. So that's why I'm only trying to make between 1.5 and 2K, and I'm only gonna be using like 2 or 3 contracts. So I'm not gonna be over risking like crazy. So basically I'm gonna risk like 2K to make that 2K. So now price is pushing nicely. I'm at 1.6K. Let's see if we can push a little bit higher. All right, I'm out of the trade to 1.7K profit. So let me just show you guys right now, just doing that. So as you guys can see, made 1.5K in this account today. So I just got this account right now. I'm gonna be using it to do these daily live trading sessions, and that was the trade. So I'm gonna be keeping it very simple. It's very simple stuff. Just price action, market structure, and aiming for that 1.5 to 2K. So that's the equity. This is the trade. We had trade right here. I don't know how to show it on the chart, but yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. So I guess the trading session is basically done in 5 minutes, and that's what I really like about NQ. You can just go in and out and basically be done for the day. So I'm only trying to trade one account right now, just until I get the feel of how it is to get payouts and all of that. but yeah, I did like this setup. So I traded that on my first account. I do have another Apex account, challenge account I'm trying to pass. So let's see if we get another, another setup. So this is basically done. I close it. Where did I close it? I closed it at 995. So a little bit below 1-to-1, which is perfectly fine, right? So my setups are basically gonna be, I want to see liquidity grab. So first of all, I don't see a higher time frame in my direction, right? Number 2, wait for open, obviously. Number 3, liquidity grab. I want to see liquidity grab. Then I want to see price action slowing down. Then I want to see basically another lower time frame liquidity grab, and then I'll enter for a 1-to-1 basically. So it's very easy, right? That's what I'm waiting for. And see here, we had exactly that. We had higher time frame, we had the push up, price took liquidity, started to slow down. We took another low, took another liquidity. I entered the trade, I got out after the push. Not trying to force it, just because I'm not trying to gamble right here. I'm just trying to make some. So yeah, let's keep watching and see if we get another opportunity to potentially take a new trade. I still do expect this to continue going up at this point. So let's see if we get another low taken and then price to come back up. Okay, so now I like how this looks, and I think I'll take another trade on that Apex account. Let's see. I do like it, not gonna lie. So anyways, for you guys, new guys watching, my name is Andrew, by the name Andrew NFX. I've just, give me a second because I want to take this entry right here.
Order filled.
Okay, I got the entry. So basically same setup. That's my entry. Gonna do the same exact stop loss. All right, so that's the trade. So my name is Andrew NFX. I've been trading for the last 6-7 years. I was one of the highest prop firm traders in the CFD scene, so Forex. I had $6.7 million in prop firm capital, and I made over, I think, $1.7 million in payouts, real verifiable payouts. I was #1 holder on Rise, which is the payout platform for CFD prop firms. I have like 15 interviews with different prop firms, multiple podcasts, and all of that. I basically became the #1 trader in the CFD space with the amount of payouts, prop firms, and everything. And now I'm looking to do the same thing in the futures space. I know there's a lot more people that done millions of dollars in payouts. They're very good traders, but I'm just starting out this journey, and I'm documenting it just so I can look back later. And because I didn't manage to document the career that I had and started in the CFD prop firm space, because if I imagine I documented that, like making reaching like $6.7 million, imagine everything was documented, that would have been crazy. So that's what I'm trying to do with futures, trying to take it slow, same thing that I did with futures prop firms, and try to show you guys real transparency, trade every day, record it, put it on YouTube, and see if I make money or not. So yeah, that's basically it. Gonna see if I get stopped out. I will be looking to re-enter once we clear the lows right there. So let's take a look at ES as well, see what that's going. So yeah, basically same exact thing. So this should start flipping and going bullish again. If it doesn't, then kind of sucks. So we already made profits from this move to here on one account. Now I'm trying to make the same move on the second account and potentially clear this liquidity right here. But it does not look good, obviously, right now. So let's see. Took liquidity from the lows again. Let's see if we flip back bullish. Taking the liquidity. Okay, just got stopped out now. So 1 win, 1 loss. I got one more trade to take. So let's see. Let's make it count. Gonna be looking to basically, let me put the other trade here. Got those 2 trades, made profit, lost money right now. If we get the 1 minute confirmation right here, I will go long again. So let's see what we got. I don't think this will continue down more. Let me just clear those. So I don't think this will come lower than this. If it does, then this is the next area, 21840s. And if that happens, we should get a nice move back up. So let's see the reaction. ES is reacting. Let's see NQ. You got the 1 minute bullish candle, so should we take another buy here? I think we should. Let's see, because this is reacting nicely. We got 5 minute candle closing in 1 minute, but this is already going up right now. It's kind of going without us. Okay, let's see. So I'm only looking for buys just because the higher time frame is bullish. So there's no reason to basically look for sells. I'm only trying to look for buys now. Seems we missed the entry. Damn it. So we missed this entry. This is what it is. Pretty annoying. Nice reaction from ES right here. Look at this. Looks nice. 5 minute open as well. Nice rejection. Yeah. See, missed the entry. Got the 1 minute. Should have taken that. I'm not gonna enter buys here though. I need a retest. So I'm looking at this area. This imbalance. See if we tap into it, then I'm gonna take those buys. Very nice reaction. Oh man, should have pulled the trigger. All right, let's see if we get back into that imbalance. Look at this 1 hour candle just rejecting. It will flip and go bullish. Yeah, looking very, very good. 5 minutes about to close very bullish, which is a good thing. Next 5 minutes and 50 minute close like this. It's gonna really go to the upside. So let's see if we get an entry right here. V-shape with a break of structure. So we have checklist, liquidity grab, V-shape recovery. We have the break of structure. We have the imbalance right here. If we retest that, I'm gonna take the entry. Let's see. And probably this one. Nah, I'm just gonna go for a 1-to-1. I don't need more. Daily is also approaching this higher time frame area, but I don't think it's gonna react right now. Just barely tapped it. Weekly as well, going for that high. So we might as well just struggle, but see. Let's see. I need to deactivate this shit. There we go. ES looking juicy. Let's see, we're coming down. Come on. I don't want to take a buy there. The reality of trading is that you need to just wait and watch the markets. Just wait and watch. It's getting boring, but we can't rush into trades because then we're gonna take losses. Like I took right here, even if I had a bigger stop loss, then I would have been in profit right now. But I didn't. So I got stopped out on the liquidity grab and just looking for the re-entry. So if this was a forex pair, I would just enter here and have my big stop loss, but I can't really do that because I don't think we're gonna really hit that level. So we got liquidity right here. So let's see, that's the target for today basically, to hit these highs right there. And I want to see this 5 minute low get respected. If we go down, then we're gonna probably go here and then Asia low, and then we got this low right there. So a bunch of targets to the downside. Hopefully we don't hit that. So 1 hour just closed. Let's see, new 1 hour candle. This 1 hour closed. Nice, broke structure, retested. Let's see if this 1 hour wants to fill the wick or just straight up push to the upside. 50 minute was a very nice close. This is a bit wrong. Ignore the session. Let's see. Same setup. It looks like it wants to break above 22,000, which is a strong level right now. See, price is really struggling at this 22,000 level, which that could be a problem. Like if we're not breaking that high, that could be a big problem. Just goes to it and then comes down again. This is shitty price action. The markets have been shit for the last few weeks, man. Forex as well, just been pretty shit. This is a very nice setup. Let's see if it plays out. I mean, the only thing I don't like is that 22,000 level that really price is not really breaking. Oh, been stuck there for the past 10 minutes, bro. What the hell? Come on. Ah, coming back to that level. 21,993, 29, 21,991 now. Come on, just break that level. And then pull back so we can get an entry in. Okay, it's trying to break it. Still want this imbalance to hit. That's where I'm looking to take a trade. Yeah, rejecting that level again. I don't really like to trade breakouts, so this will not be a setup that I take right here. It's a bit risky, I think, but pulls are starting to come in. So not really something that I would take, because I don't know if it's gonna break down or just come back down. We did have a 1 minute candle closing above that 22,000 level, so I guess could play out, but I'm not giving up. Still gonna wait. It looks very good. Dollar retesting that same area, and I think it will start bouncing up right here. Okay, we just broke higher right here. Let's see if we get the pullback. Why is this price action so damn slow, man? I'm getting out of my trading window now. I think we should have trade a breakout. I don't want to get any FOMO and take a dumb trade. And I don't want to take shorts. Obviously, 50-minute close bullish again, so I don't want to take shorts. I want to look for buys, but it's not giving me any buying opportunity right now. What is this price action, dude? It's barely even moving. Okay, now we kind of get some volume in, but not that much. I think my trading session will soon be over, guys, because there's no more trades to take right now, and I only want to trade the first hour, to be honest, from the open, which right now is it's basically done. So I missed the buys. We took buys here with the open, closed here, made profits, made 1.7k on one account. Then next account, I got stopped out on the liquidity grab, and then on my third account where I wanted to take this buy, I didn't execute, and now price has moved. So basically on my straight to final account made 1.7k as I showed you, and on my eval apex I lost that one trade, lost like 2k. And yeah, I think that's basically it for today. I'm really trying to stick to my rules and only trade once per account per day during open, during the first hour, with the rules that I mentioned. So I'm really trying to focus on both passing the eval and also getting my first payout on the Tradify account. So I'm gonna need 10 profitable trading days, having between 1.5 and 2k profit, which I think I can manage. So I'll do these live streams every day. Let me guys know if you enjoy them, if you like watching this type of stuff, and if not, I won't do them. I'm just gonna trade without recording basically. So yeah, see you guys for tomorrow's session.